Hey everybody, I'm here at the Ebb Street Lofts development on Saturday, June 24th, and I thought today would be a perfect first day for our first video of the outside of the buildings. Right now we're waiting for the foundation to get poured on the third building. The second building, they are vertical up to the second floor. They're working in there today. We were able to figure out today, this is building 2, building 3 is over there, building 2 here. Unit A will not have any bay views. Unit B, no views. Unit C and D look like they're gonna have some very nice bay views. Building 3 is a little bit further along. So you got Unit A, Unit B, Unit C, and Unit D up on the top floor, the third floor. No view here. Little bit of a view in this one. Now B is pending. D is pending. Good view from D. C, not much of a view from that one. But progress getting made here. Outside starting to come together. We won't take a look at the inside today. It's just 2x4s, so a little confusing to get a feel for what it feels like in there. But we'll walk around to the front. I guess you could argue it's the front or the back here. This is where the garages are going to be, so you can see the garages starting to appear in the first building. With the deck, you can get a little bit of an idea of what the deck is going to look like on the second floor, and above that, the third floor deck. And you got your 4 garages with parking in front of those, and then the driveway behind that parking. So there's a little bit of a look there of your first building coming together nicely, and then building 2 over there. We're thinking about a month behind building 1, and then building 3 that hasn't started over there past the crane. Probably another month behind building 2. So there's an idea of what we're looking at right now. And of course, past this van here, we've got the bay that way. And then of course the buildings are on the corner of Southwest 48th and Ebb. So there's an exit from the garage there. Come around and walk in through the front of the building here, and then just down Ebb you've got the glass foundry where they blow glass. The IGA's right there, the Pacific Grind's right there. I can't say enough about the location of these, how perfect it is right here in the heart of Taft. So things are happening. Really exciting to see these first 2 buildings coming together, with the third ready to go vertical here in probably a couple of weeks. We'll do more of these videos. If you want to see pictures, we have taken some pictures of the inside already. You can find those on our Home Oregon Coast Instagram page, and then we'll continue to post videos, and we'll get inside as soon as we start to see some more walls in there on our YouTube.